Hi guys, I'm Noemi Kluz. It's my channel Noemi Kluz Robotisation and New Technology. And today is the second video about robot programming. It's something for me very close because it's what I like, what I do. And it's very basic, like course or just videos which can help you to start, or if you just want to get to know how to do it. I hope it will help. And today I will talk to you about frames, what frames we have in robot, and how to use it, what is important about it. The first frame is word frame. You don't need, you can't actually change it because it's mostly of the base of the robot, and all of the frames which you will put into robot will count to this word frame. So it's like in base, it's in the system, and you shouldn't change it. It's the word frame. The next frame is, for example, tool frame. I have the last video about tool frame, so I hope you know what is that. But if you hadn't watched it, it's at the end of tool. This frame is sometimes like in base it's on the flange, but then you should put it, for example, at the end of the tool mostly. But if you need in any special way, for example in very complicated gripper, then you choose point where is the best point. Sometimes it's also, for example, more than one tool frame, so you can choose, if you have, for example, complicated gripper, then you can teach the robot two or three tool frame, and in the program you will change which one you want to use. That's tool frame, and the next frame is user frame. Mostly user frame is made by user in the workplace, or in the any part which you, for example, weld on the table, just in your workplace. It should help you to move the robot through the next to the piece, next to the fixture, for example. So it's something what should help you. And yeah, if you make it correctly, a robot should move along the, for example, surface or the piece. That's user frame. Also we have jog frame. Jog frame is very similar actually to user frame, but what's the difference? It is helpful when your part, how to say it, when your part is oriented differently from the word frame, for example. So then you can do jog frame, but it's very similar to user frame, and you can also make many jog frames, many user frames also. And the last frame is joint frame. You don't put the joint frame because there are actually many small frames. For example, if you have, my hand is the robot. So you have joint here, you have joint here, you have joint, for example, here, you have joint here. Yeah. So at the end of the robot part, there is new frame. And you have, for example, in user frame, you have 3 methods which you can choose to make this coordinate system. First method is 3-point method. So you have, for example, I will check what I have here to show you. Candle, can be candle. For example, I have this candle. Maybe this part will be better. And I have the end of the robot. And you have to, for example, save. I want to have a coordinated system here, yes? So I save 1 point, like maybe some. Firstly, I will save 1 point in the origin. And it will be my 0 point, but then I need to choose which axe will go where. So firstly I will choose where is the direction of my x axe. So for example, first point here, second point here with the x, and with y, for example, here. The third one will count and you will see where you have z. And you will check it from right hand rule. It's in my other video. To be very quickly, it's like if you have 3 fingers, you can for example choose like x, y, z, and then if you change the way these fingers, you can see which axe will go where. It's longer and more like clearly explained in my different videos. So if you want to if you want to know something more, you can check it, and I hope it will be helpful. So see you next time. Bye.